What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. So SHIB token, you guys know, has been on absolute fire in terms of social media presence the last few days, ever since the Coinbase listing was announced. Since then, though, a lot of big social media platforms have joined in on the hype for Shiba Inu. They're realizing the potential that this community brings to the cryptocurrency market, and as an asset, they're really starting to get excited about what potential this ecosystem has in the short and long term. So what we're going to discuss today is specifically about Marketcap and how they've completely flipped on Shiba Inu. And they're now extremely bullish and excited about this crypto asset, just like you and I are. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. There's a little subscribe button right where my hand is right now. So if you don't mind clicking that, joining the YourPOP community and the SHIB Army for great conversations, fantastic live streams, make sure you do so. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Shiba Inu's price action. So again, running right around the 800 Satoshi unit marks. We saw a little bit of a correction yesterday, and you guys can see pretty much since the Coinbase listing, we saw a pretty significant sell-off. But now, just the last hour, we saw a nice jump up in price, and hopefully it's here to stay. But again, lots of volatility these days as we're awaiting news from the development team to let us know, hey, this is what's next on the pipeline, and here are some of the timelines in terms of all the things that we're looking to implement in the short term. Now, also, I want to mention a couple links in the description below. For Webull, you can get your 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent. You have between now and the end of September. So today is the 19th, 11 more days to get your 2 free stocks, valued up to $2,300. And also there's a link down there for BlockFi if you want to get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin. So make sure you take advantage of these free opportunities, folks. Now, Marketcap. Love this platform. You guys know I use them all the time in my videos to talk about price action, to look at the overall cryptocurrency market conditions. But on their official Twitter, they came out and really started talking about Shiba Inu quite a bit. So if we scroll down and look from the last couple days, first and foremost, they came out and said that they retweeted SHIB token. They said SHIB is currently trending #1 above all cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. So they verified that and retweeted it on the Twitter space, which of course in turn got people starting to buzz around, especially those who are invested in the crypto space that aren't in Shiba Inu. They started looking and saying, hey, what does this mean? Including people like CoinMarketCap. Following that tweet, CoinMarketCap sends out and says, do you think SHIB will ever flip Doge? Hashtag the real flippening. So again, giving us some bullish sentiments because you guys know my take, right? Not as a financial advisor by any means, but always trying to put you guys on the plays that I am in. I made a video earlier this year, sometime I think around June, saying that I believe that Shiba Inu by market cap will surpass Dogecoin. It's going to have very similar momentum and price action as we await catalysts to come about, but at the very beginning stages of any crypto asset, because again, we're still at the very early stages of the development of this community. Yes, we have 670,000 holders, but still, we're nowhere near where we're going to be by next year, by 2023, 2024, and even 2025 and moving forward. And that's why I say, I'm not holding SHIB for a day or a month or a year. I'm holding it for the long term. Another tweet sent out by CoinMarketCap thereafter was SHIB is the #1 this week, not in the day, but in the week on our CoinMarketCap trending list. And they sent out this little, image of I believe in SHIB supremacy, they said. So again, lots of things going on around social media that are keeping people really, really excited, especially in the Shiba Inu community. But guys, you guys need to understand that when bigger platforms, bigger social media presence are talking about Shiba Inu, in turn, it's gonna start getting some buzz around what is this crypto asset? Is this going to be the next Dogecoin? Is it going to be something bigger? Of course, in my opinion, it absolutely will be something a lot bigger than what Dogecoin looks like today in 2021. And mind you, if we look at the overall market cap and we go down and look at Dogecoins, currently it is sitting at $31 billion, at 10x from where Shiba Inu sits today, which is at 3.1 billion. I think before the end of this year, before the end of 2021, if all the things come about that are on the pipeline and things start ironing out in the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu will 10x. Shiba Inu will become potentially a top 10 crypto asset by year's end, 2021. We need to see some continued positive momentum and a lot of things to happen before this will get executed and we'll actually see these things come about. But between now and the end of the year, we have L2 on the way. We have a potential Robinhood listing on the way. We have so many different catalysts on the way. The NFT launch, new video game talk about something that's going to bring this community all together. But regardless, the fact is there are a lot of opportunities still with this cryptocurrency. And that's why I continue to say, I'm not someone that's looking to hold the short term. I'm looking to hold and buy for the real long term. So again, if you're looking at potential entry points for Shiba Inu, right now, if you look at the 7-day chart, there are some decent areas to potentially buy in. But since we haven't really held a strong support, but you guys know based off previous patterns and previous trends, if we look at the 1-month chart, we know the consolidation right around 700 to 730 Satoshis has been kind of where we've been comfortable. So if you're trying to find opportunities to buy in, I'd say kind of pay attention. If you don't have any skin in the game on Shiba Inu, at 798 Satoshi units where it is right now, boom. If I had $300 to invest, $300 to invest today, what would I do? I would get some skin in the game first and foremost. Again, this is just me. $100 right now to start getting some skin in the game because we don't know when the takeoff will begin with this crypto asset. The return to all-time highs is imminent, which is from right here, a 4x, a 400% upside from here. If it goes down to 750, where it's been consolidating for over a month or so, right around 740, 750 Satoshi, 730 maybe, I would say that's where I would put my second $100, meaning 200 of my 300 are now invested. And then last but not least, that last $100 that I had, I would wait to see where it has pulled back to the lowest support line yet, which is 570 Satoshi units. Now, doesn't mean that Shiba Inu will pull back to 570 Satoshis ever again. In my opinion, probably not. Not with all the things that have happened since then. Coinbase official listing, a lot of excitement around the space. Coinbase potential, again, endorsement for Shiba Inu. Because of that, I think that 700 Satoshis is going to be what we call a more leveled support line that we're no longer going to pass. Maybe even 740 it looks like is the current low from the last 7 days. So at 740, this might be us testing higher lows, which is an extremely bullish sign moving forward for this crypto asset. So pay attention, watch for the overall market movement. If the market corrects, Shiba Inu will probably continue to correct. But at 740 Satoshis, great one in my opinion. And again, that's what I would do if I had $300 to invest into Shiba Inu. And that's really all I had for you guys today. I hope everybody's enjoying all the videos. I have been having a phenomenal time recording and also on the live streams. Those are probably my favorite things to do on the channel, absolutely. So for all the Shiba Inu investors and the SHIB token folks, make sure you guys are understanding there are a lot of good things on the way. And for the new investors that are trying to get in, identify price points. And I mentioned some that are pretty attractive to get into SHIB. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate everybody's love and support. Again, don't leave the video without smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. And until next time, everybody, where I'll see you all next time, probably tonight or tomorrow morning, keep investing. Peace.